Right now we are going to head downstairs to see what Rebecca is doing.
Sharon!
Wow.
Sharon! Oh, we have a guaca, avocado smashed up. It's really good. Sharon! Why'd you
Oh.
leave me all alone, Sharon?
As you can
Look
see,
at Mr. Fluffy Balls.
that's a girl, and why are you molesting my poodle?
Look at Mr. Fluffy Balls. He's so delicious you can almost eat him. Not as delicious as I thought. Sharon, where are you? Sharon!
Just say it loud, you can.